Hey guys, how's it going? I'm excited because we're doing something new. I recently discovered a sandwich that is the fried bologna sandwich, and it first was made in Kansas, and I think there's a different version in the south and in the north, but I don't really know it because I just recently discovered it. I already made it 2 times and it was spectacular, and I've heard that it was some kind of a poor man's dish because of the bologna, and some mothers and grandmothers basically labeled it as this. Like, if you don't have the money to buy a steak sandwich or something, then you make a fried beef bologna sandwich. That's what I've heard. I don't know if this is true. I don't know anybody from Kansas. So maybe guys, if you're from Kansas, put your stories of the sandwich in the comments down below. I would really love to hear them. And yeah, we're going to make it delicious. I'm going to do it a little bit fancier. As you guys know, I will give it my own twist. Please make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon to get notified when I'm posting a new video. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram at Resident Eatels and follow my Facebook page at Resident Eatels. So with all that being said, get the things out of the way. We're going to switch to POV cam. And yeah, we cook it up. Okay guys, we are back in the kitchen and we have our first taste test. This is a huge sandwich, so what I'm actually going to do is cut this in half. Okay, there we go. Let's have a bite. Why am I cooking so good? You guys know what the game is. Do you know the dude? It is the Italian chef. He used to be with Jamie Oliver a lot. Great guy. Gennaro was his name. I don't remember his last name, but he always used to say, "Why am I cooking so good?" I can't really make the Italian accent, so you have to picture that for yourself. But it was great. And also this is an amazing sandwich. I can recall it now. Jamie Oliver used to reference Gennaro as his mentor, so I don't know what the deal was there, but you can see this in a lot of Jamie Oliver's videos actually. Back to the sandwich. Yeah, I mean, the sandwich is awesome. As I said in the intro, I will give it my own twist, so I added some more ingredients like the tomatoes, like the chips. I definitely wanted to have chips in there, and also I didn't really use like the standard white bread. It is more like an Italian bruschetta bread, but yeah. Also, I don't know if these spiced up onions are what usually would end up on a sandwich like this. I added some sugar to the onions and also some white wine and really glued this together as a in terms of flavor. Also the chips gave it a really nice crunch that is actually more, I don't know, the bologna sandwich is more a softer kind of sandwich, and I like the crunch, I like texture of different sorts, and the chips gave me that. So I added them and they're tasting fantastic. Those are, I think, what is it? Salt and vinegar chips. So probably your English chips. And yeah, they are great. They are awesome. Also, the balsamico, the thick balsamico, I will show you the bottle again. Crema de balsamico. Always goes so well with tomatoes, especially if you have like really good tomatoes from the tomato season or from a local farmer market or something like this. I don't know, their tanginess in combination with, or their sourness better, in combination with the sweetness and tanginess of the balsamico crema is a desire to have. Let's put it this way. So again guys, I think I will wrap this up. It is a great sandwich. Make it for yourself. Just try it for yourself. You will not regret it. It is one of the nicest sandwiches I had in a while, and I'm going to look forward to top that soon. So stay tuned for more sandwich videos. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, smash that ringing bell, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified when I'm uploading something new. Make sure to follow me at Resident Eatels at Instagram. Make sure to follow me on Facebook at Resident Eatels. And with all that being said, I think if you made it to this point, you should probably go to your kitchen and make a sandwich yourself. And I think that's a wrap, guys. We will cut the frame here, cut the tape. See each other in the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace.